being a firefighter is unlike any other job, all right? Every career center, every job here is unique, but this is, in my opinion, the most unique. The biggest thing that I want to push to the students is the day after you graduate, the day you become an EMT, the day you become a firefighter, you can get hired. And that day that you're hired, your first day on the job, you might be making life and death decisions. So the thing I like most about in this program that we teach is we are for real from day one. We do the best we can to make it so that there's no make-believe. Everything here, if you say you're going to take a blood pressure, take the blood pressure. If you're going to say you're going to put the fire out, well, there's a fire over there, so go put it out. Everything is as hands-on and as real life as we can safely make it.
My favorite part of this program is definitely learning all the different ways we can help people, all the ways that we stay safe and it can help the community stay safe, and also just making a bunch of new friends with this and learning all about them.
I've learned a lot of educational skills for the career I want to go into, but also I've learned so many skills that are going to correlate more with my life and how I live. Just nothing's embarrassing unless you make it, and you just have to be the person to do it first.
In this program, the skills that you must have prior to coming here is you have to be able to read and comprehend information. You cannot learn how to save people's lives by guessing. You cannot learn how to save people's lives by cutting corners. So sitting down, reading the book, retaining information is a huge skill. They should be physically fit. I don't expect them to run marathons, but it is a high endurance cardio career. So I expect them to be able to pull their weight and keep going for a period of time.
We go to fire stations to see what it's like actually in real life. We'll go on calls with them. We actually have hospital times that we go with, and at the end of the year they have us interview with a bunch of different stations if we want to get a little jump on the job.
I knew from a very young age that I wanted to be a firefighter. My father was a firefighter, and it's always something that excited me or interested me. Our job is truly unique, and I say it with bias, but I say it very confidently. It is the greatest job in the world.